Have you ever wondered how a high-rise crane operator reaches the top of the crane control cabin? You might think it's easy, just walk up the ladder. But it's not that simple. Let me explain why. Have you ever worked a job where you had to learn a ton of rules, procedures and protocols? Then there's always that one thing that trips you up. No matter how many times you practice, it just doesn't click. Well, that's how it is for a high-rise crane operator. They have to learn all these rules and regulations about safe operation, inspection and maintenance. But there's always something that gets them every time, and that's climbing into the cab. You see, when it comes to climbing into the cab of a high-rise crane, there are a lot of things that need to be just right. First, the crane has to be in the right position. The jib has to be at the correct angle, and the hook has to be at a safe distance from any obstacles. If any of these things are wrong, then the operator can't safely climb into the cab. And believe me, if the operator isn't safe, then neither is anyone else. But even if everything is perfect, climbing into the cab is still dangerous. The operator has to climb a ladder while wearing all of their safety gear, which can make them lose their balance. Not to mention they're usually working in high winds, which can make the ladder sway. If the operator slips and falls, they could be seriously injured or even killed. So, how do they do it? Well, here's a step-by-step guide to climbing into the cab of a high-rise crane. First, the operator checks all the safety features to make sure they're in working order. This includes the brakes, the lights, and the alarm system. Then they get into position and start climbing. As they climb, they keep one hand on the ladder and one hand on the handrail. This helps them to stay balanced and prevents them from falling. Once they reach the platform, they put both hands on the handrail and take a moment to catch their breath. Finally, they open the door and climb into the cab. Now that you know how a high-rise crane operator climbs into the cab, do you think it's easy? I don't know about you, but I think it takes a lot of skill and courage to do that. But hey, someone's got to do it. So next time you see a high-rise crane, take a moment to appreciate the operator and all the hard work they do. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.